Welcome back to Google Food, guys. Today, very extremely high temperature steak like the steakhouses versus my reverse sear. Which one is best? Well, let's find out right now. Check it out. For today's cook, I'm using these two beautiful prime New York strip. I'm seasoning the steaks with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. In order to monitor the temperature of the steaks and to ensure that I get perfect doneness, I am using the meter, which is a wireless thermometer, and if you're interested about it, you can learn more in the description down below. The high temperature steak will be cooked at 900 degrees Fahrenheit in direct heat, and the other one will be at 250 degrees Fahrenheit with indirect heat. So let's do it. Angel, what do you think, my brother?
I like how you cut them.
You like the thick cuts? No more little thinny dibby dibby.
No.
Angel, we got an experiment. A or B? I know you're hungry, and so am I. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's go for the first one.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
So what is it? Is it an experiment?
Yes, I want to know which one is better. Oh my God, is this juicy? Look at
I can't
this.
even fold it.
Ooh, nice thick cut, Angel. You ready? Let's go for it. You can't even fold it?
There we go.
Ooh, it's soft.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
is
really
it juicy? Can you guys see that? And yes, if you're asking, I did let it rest. Well, let's go for it. Cheers.
That one's gonna be hard to beat. If they're different, are they different? They're different, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's gonna be really hard to beat. That's really good.
Wow. Guys, it is amazing.
I go around two.
No. Let's
Come
try
on,
the other
bro.
one first.
All right.
Are you ready for the other one? Go for it.
I'm gonna do the same thing I did for the last.
If not, it
No
won't fold. We gotta cut it a little bit in half. If not, it won't fold in half. Let's go for it. Oh my Lord. This one, I'm surprised. This one is just as tender too.
This one looks good too. The
Yeah.
crust looks pretty good.
Let's see. Are you ready for it?
Dude, I'm always ready.
Ooh, it's dripping juice. Let's go. It's good. What do you think, Angel?
I think I know what's up.
What do you think?
This one has a lot more flavor than this one.
Why?
This one is still really good, but this one has like that extra like charcoal-y flavor.
I agree. Man, he's becoming a steak expert.
I am a steak expert, bro.
I love it.
I'm Guga's nephew, bro. I have to be a steak because if not, then I don't get to eat the steak, bro.
That's right. You're absolutely right. You are my nephew. He knows some steaks, man. I can tell you that. He's been eating quite a few.
Oh yes.
So, now talk about this one. What is your opinion on this one, Angel?
Okay, that's a good steak. That has a good crust. It has all the if you want to make a steak and it comes out like this, you don't get shamed. You get me?
No.
It's a very good steak.
Yes.
Just this one has like an added flavor, and it's an awesome added flavor because it's charcoal. It has to be charcoal, bro.
Wow. This kid is getting a professional expert, and I am like a proud papa. I love it. That's awesome.
All right, you keep talking.
You keep enjoying your steak, Angel. It's okay. So here's the deal. I slow cooked this one on the charcoal. That's what happened. I cooked it nice and slow, so it had time to absorb all that charcoal flavor that you're talking about. Look at that. I'm impressed with this boy. This one here is very good. Don't get me wrong, but like he said, it didn't absorb all that amazing charcoal flavor because it was just cooked so fast. I cooked this one, Angel, in 5 minutes.
No.
I cooked this steak in 5 minutes, guys.
That's pretty practical, I think.
This steak here took about 25 to 30 minutes to cook overall. So, Angel, let me ask you, in your opinion, which one is better, A or B?
It has to be A. A is the better one. This time.
It has a better flavor, just like Angel said, a much more complex flavor with the charcoal embedded inside of the meat. This one here is good, but it has not that smokiness flavor. It's just like a fast, quick method steak. The crust on the number 2 steak is much better than the number 1.
Yeah, I was about to tell you that.
But the flavor overall and enjoyment, definitely the first steak, agree?
Yeah, and they're both actually about as juicy, if you ask me.
Oh yeah, oh they're juicy, boy. Oh, they're just as juicy. I really thought that this steak here was not gonna be very good at all because I've never done hot and fast at such high temperature. But it is very good.
It's awesome. They're both really good.
If you ask me, Guga, which one do you recommend? I recommend you definitely doing the reverse sear method. And the reason is it's much more controllable than this one here. This steak here came out perfect, but I paid a lot of attention and I was sweating bullets because I thought I was gonna overcook this steak. My meter even malfunctioned because it was too hot. That's too much of a high temperature, and it's hard to get that temperature too. It took me quite a bit. This is much more forgiving. You cook it nice and slow. There is zero stress. I could tell you that. Here, you're sweating bullets. Make sure that you cook this steak right. Anyway, this is the results, guys. If you asking me, Guga, which one do you prefer? We're gonna go with the reverse sear method. It's a lot better. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is on the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.
Guga, I broke the steak with my fork.
Really? Fork tender, guys. Fork tender. Fork tender. I could tell you. Wait a second. Hold on a second.
No way.
Yes, it is incredible. Do that reverse sear method, guys. You won't regret it. And if you are in a hurry and you can get your barbecue to that high temperature, just do that one too. You cook that steak in 5 minutes.
And is that a ring? Do we have a little ring action?
Oh, a little smoke ring? Yeah, you kind of have a little bit smoke. Well, not really smoke, kind of. You probably won't be able to tell. Anyway, guys, we are going to enjoy our steaks, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It's good.